Okay, should we try one more? One more. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, we've high hopes. What's your name?
Shani.
Where are you from, Shani?
I'm from New Zealand.
Oh, she's from New Zealand. We always do well with New Zealanders, because even if the story's bad, voice hilarious.
You're very funny.
So, Shani, are you living here or visiting?
I live here.
You live here? Woo! Smell the visa. Okay. What do you do?
I'm a florist.
A florist. You okay with that? Yep. Off we go with this story, Shani.
Okay, so mine's an embarrassing story about myself. The first time I tried at-home waxing, I brought some strips that you heat up.
Can I just stop you right there? Already, the New Zealand pronunciation of waxing is genius.
Especially that her name, Shani, rhymes with...
Oh, no. We want to hear it more. So, you're doing your home waxing.
Yes. I brought some strips that you have to rub together to heat up. I put them both on at the same time. And when I ripped the strips off, the wax stayed. So I found myself in a tricky situation. I hopped into the shower and tried products, shampoo, body lotion, soap, and nothing would take it off. I tried a razor blade. And the wax stayed, so I had to get my mum to ring our nearest beauty salon, and she had to take me up there. The most embarrassing part was that I had to walk with my legs open so that they didn't stick together.
That is quite a good story.
That's very good.
Should we let her walk? Literally. Yeah. Okay, you can walk, Shani.
Yay!